Hey there guys, welcome back to the third video in our network series. In the previous videos we saw the different pieces of networking hardware that are commonly used today and discussed the differences between LANs, WANs and PANs. Today we're going to look at the different ways of connecting networks together, aka network topologies. The contents of this specific video are useful for those taking both AQA and OCR GCSE computer science and the AQA A-level. Those studying for the OCR A-level do not need to know this, but may find it useful as a recap topic to broaden their contextual knowledge. Make sure to check your specific specification to ensure that you're covering the relevant information. Of course, if you're not doing any of these courses and are just here to learn, then this video is also for you. First of all, a network topology is the way in which all the devices on a network are connected together. This includes every single device, including, but not limited to, computers, laptops, printers and servers. Those studying the AQA courses will need to know about the bus and star topologies, and those studying the OCR GCSE will need to know about the mesh and star topologies. Now a star topology is referred to as a star topology because it roughly looks like a star, where there is a central device and all the nodes or devices are branching off it. Each device communicates through the central point, so no two nodes are directly connected. The star network is the most commonly used topology today. Now a positive for a star network is if one device or cable breaks or becomes disconnected, then the others will continue working without any issues. It's also easy to add new computers to the network. But some negatives are it's rather expensive to install, and if the central point goes down, then no one can transmit or receive data. A bus topology, sometimes known as a line topology, attaches all devices to a common backbone known as the central line. There are terminators on each end of the line so that data that reaches the end doesn't bounce back and cause data collisions. Some positives is that it's cheap, it's easy to set up, and it doesn't require any additional hardware other than the main cable. But some negatives are, if the central line fails, then the whole network goes down. It cannot be too large as the central line will get too long and signal decreases with length, and security is poor as all computers on the network can see all transmissions. In a full mesh network, all nodes are interconnected so that a node is connected to all others. There is also a partial mesh network where a lot of the nodes are connected to each other, but not quite all of them. Some positives is that it's reliable, data has many routes to take, and if one device fails, the others will still work. But some negatives are that there's bulk wiring, for the most part it's unnecessary, and it's also very expensive due to the amount of cables needed. With a ring topology, each device is connected to two others, the one before it and the one after it. It's called a ring because the computers are connected in a loop, like a ring. Data travels in one direction only, and each device will receive the data until it reaches the destination device, which won't send it on any further. Some positives are that it transfers data quickly, even with many devices, but some negatives are if any one device goes down, then any other devices beyond that point will not be able to receive data. Security is also poor, as data is sometimes passed through many computers before reaching the destination device. So remember, a network topology refers to the way in which devices or network are physically connected. A star network has all the nodes branching off a central point. A bus network has all the nodes connected to one central line. A mesh network connects every single device to every other device. And a ring network connects the devices in a circle which pass data around in one direction. Thanks for watching this episode of our network series. Hopefully you are now a bit wiser on network topologies and the advantages and disadvantages of each one. Join us next time to continue learning about networks. For now though, please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to see more content from us, and hit the bell icon to be notified of when we next upload. Make sure to also check out our Instagram and Twitter pages for daily computer science posts, and also check out our Discord to meet like-minded people and talk about computer science. I'm Harry from Code Sapien, and I'll see you in the next one.